DSWD Field Office Caraga has been implementing the KALAHI CIDSS program for over 15 years. The program is one of DSWD's poverty reduction programs that utilizes the community-driven development approach, which gives citizens control over decisions and resources so that they can undertake localized solutions to identified community problems. During the program's implementation from 2003 to 2014, all financial transactions were managed by field and regional workers using Google-based spreadsheets and offline Excel files. Over this course of time, 793 community projects with total grant of 470 million pesos were tracked manually. The manual system of recording and generation of financial transactions brought up several issues, posing challenges on the implementation. In 2015, DSWD Caraga worked on to improve its processes and systems to meet the quality standards of ISO 9001-2008 for quality management system to enhance the delivery of its social welfare and services. It was also during this time that the KALAHI CIDSS program expanded its implementation, covering 718 barangays with community grant amounting to more than 2 billion pesos to be utilized within 5 years. Having learned from the challenges in the previous years, the KALAHI CIDSS Regional Management Office, through the Finance Unit, worked on a system that would improve their work. The KALAHI CIDSS Community Finance Management System, or CFMS, was born. The introduction of the CFMS would allow the program handlers to resolve the harrowing problems encountered in the past years, to be responsive to program expansion to more areas, to cover the increased number of new sub-projects, to account for the increased fund, for transparency in accounting of community funds, to strengthen community finance management. The CFMS is a web-based financial management system that is used to record and track all financial transactions from the community level up to the regional project management office, such as requests for funding of sub-projects by the community. The CFMS is a one-stop source of data and a tool for sound financial management decisions at all levels of the community project implementation. The system is user-friendly, easy to learn and understand, even for the non-tech savvy community volunteers. Presently, the active users of the system The CFMS covers the whole process of requests for fund release. The CFMS also informs its users of issues and concerns encountered during the process of review and approval of the requests. The CFMS is a regional office initiative unique among all the KALAHI CIDSS finance management systems used among implementing regions, even from the system utilized by the National Program Management Office. With the system in place, Field Office Caraga faced the challenges of scaling up the project implementation with improved methods, processes, and procedures that ensure the satisfaction of the clients we serve with global quality services. Since its utilization in 2015 up to the present, CFMS has recorded all financial transactions for the program. It has on record a total of 4,045 community requests and grant fund support releases amounting to 2.47 billion pesos. The application of the CFMS complements with the guiding principles of KALAHI CIDSS. These are participatory, transparency, and accountability across all levels of the program implementation, and the promotion of good local governance. What were once limitations in fulfilling the workload and tasks of the program workers can now be done properly and comfortably. At present, CFMS users are now able to tracking of communities' liquidations, auto-generation of vouchers, notices, reports, transmittals, and ledgers, storing and retrieval of scanned documents such as requests for fund release, closing certificates, LGU's journal entry vouchers of completed sub-projects, signed notice of fund transfer, and etc. The CFMS is one of the knowledge products shared with the regional office during knowledge sharing and benchmarking with DSWD Central Office and DSWD Regional Office for Calabarzon 6, 9, and 11. It has also been accepted and included in the department-wide compendium of good practices. During the KALAHI CIDSS Performance Review and Evaluation Workshop in 2015, FO Caraga was awarded the Gawad Kalahi for Innovation and Breakthrough in CDD Management on February 9, 2016. With the impact of the CFMS in the performance of FO Caraga, staff and workers have vouched for the effectiveness of the system. Since 2016, the CFMS has been subjected to various benchmarking conducted by different field offices, and with the NPMO appreciation of the system, the CFMS was introduced during the KALAHI CIDSS National Program Evaluation Workshop held on September 2 to 7, 2019 at Quezon City as a first step to replicate the system for use nationwide. The DSWD is working on the institutionalization of KALAHI CIDSS as a national poverty alleviation program. Once institutionalized, the CDD approach in implementing community projects will be used by all government agencies. CFMS will be adopted as the KALAHI CIDSS financial management system. Institutionalization of KALAHI CIDSS has already gained support from both the Senate and the House of Representatives. The CDD approach is now being adopted by various local government units as a mode for implementing projects using their local development funds. One example is the municipality of Trento Agusan del Sur that allocated 16 million pesos of their local development fund to finance community-identified sub-projects for implementation in 2020. As for DSWD, while awaiting for the institutionalization of CDD, the department will proceed with the implementation of the following programs using CDD. CFMS has proven its value as a tool for sound financial management of project implementation using CDD approach. As for DSWD Caraga, the developers of the CFMS will come up with a version fit for LGUs replicating KALAHI CIDSS using their own funds. This system will be simpler because it will only tackle the LGU processes. The developers of the CFMS will reassess the current version and make necessary updates to cater to different setups in the other regional offices. More features and new modules are being developed to further enhance the system's capabilities for the benefit of the users and stakeholders. At the national level, the NPMO is drafting the institutionalization framework, which includes the CFMS as the financial management system. As for the other regional office, the NPMO is pushing for the replication of CFMS, and several regional offices have shown their intentions to do so. With the CFMS, we are always ready for the challenges ahead.